Hey, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and we're asked to find the minimum or the smallest value of t in this function here. So the best way to do that is to do that in our graphing calculator. So what I'm going to do is go to y equals, I'm going to go ahead and put this in again just so you can see how I do it. But looking at the function there, it's going to be the second square root 1700. And instead of t, we're just going to use x. That's the x button there. Squared, and then it is minus 220x minus 220x plus 13. Plus 13. So this is our function here. And remember, the t is really just our x because it doesn't really matter what variable we use there. Alright, so you go ahead and put that in there. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to try to get as much of this function in as I can. So I'm going to go to zoom. I'm going to go to zoom fit to see what it's going to look like here. It looks like a V here. And in order to find the minimum value x and y, well, this would be the minimum value for x. What I can do is I can use the minimum function. And I go to second trace, go down here to minimum, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the left hand side. So I just kind of go over and make sure. And I remember I'm trying to find the x value that's at the minimum y value. So then for my right bound, I just make sure it's to the right of this lowest point there. I hit enter. I hit enter again because I don't want to guess. And the minimum value, the minimum y value is 2.425, and that's found at 0.065, which is actually the answer for that problem there. So that's how they came up with it. They put it in the graphing calculator, and then they use the minimum function in order to find the minimum y value, and then this is the x value at that minimum y value. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.